A few moments later.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to get this glowy summertime glossy yummy scrumptious melanin popping you look cute look. Sorry about the lighting again. I'm filming this with like lights and sunlight. It looked great in the beginning, but as the sun has shifted, I lost some of the light. So next time, just gotta film a little bit earlier so we get that good sunlight. But if you like this look, please continue watching. And let's go to the next clip. Why aren't you on music? Oh my god, just focus. Focus. There we go. Next clip.
As soon as I'm awake, I'm aware the new day is burning. I'm tangled up in sheets and my hair is burned, the heat is hurting. As soon as I'm awake, I'm aware my body's in protest. My arms can't pull the sheets back and my head is hurting. Wake up, sun is up. Get up, soak it up. Walking and throwing glass, the walls and floors are made of stone. I'm taking full control, walking in, walking out. I'm losing my control. As soon as I'm asleep, I'm aware I won't get to rest. The night has other things planned for me, I'm already tired. As soon as I'm asleep, I'm aware that when I wake up, the sun won't shine, I'm gonna have to use my flashlight. Oh, wake up, sun is up. Walls and floors are made of stone. I'm taking full control, walking in, walking out. I'm losing my control. There is something about this world that I should know by now. I'm doing something wrong cause this don't feel right. Maybe if I cut my hair and sleep a little more, spend less time on my phone and more time alone. Something about this world that I should know by now. I'm doing something wrong cause this don't feel right. Maybe if I cut my hair and sleep a little more, spend less time on my phone and more time alone. Floors are made of stone. I'm taking full control, walking in, walking out. I'm losing my control. Try it if it feels right. Try it if it feels right. I'm just, yeah. I'm just, yeah. I've been out here trying to see my homecoming. And of course somebody's always gonna say something, try and shoot me down for voicing my own opinion, triggering a part of me that's always been indifferent. And I know that we have asked for change. Don't be scared to put the fears to shame. When you know what you got, sacrifice ain't that hard. Feel like depending on me, sometimes we ain't meant to be free. When you know what you got, sacrifice ain't that hard. Feel like depending on me, sometimes we ain't meant to be free. Open up this letter you ain't trying to read. You've been blind to the subject but not blind to me. And I know this margin ain't too small for me. Not too real, not too much anymore, not enough. And I know that we have asked for change. Don't be scared to put the fears to shame. When you know what you got, sacrifice ain't that hard. Feel like depending on me, sometimes we ain't meant to be free. When you know what you got, sacrifice ain't that hard. Feel like depending on me, sometimes we ain't meant to be free. Oh, if who I am offends you, don't feel sorry, don't feel sorry. My loss is more than your wins. I'm satisfied if it starts over again. Yeah, that is everything, that is everything, that is everything. And I know that we have asked for change. Don't be scared to put the fears to shame.
So this is the final focus camera look. The focus was going in and out in the video, so I'm hoping that it picked up everything, at least in focus. I need to work on getting a new lens, but this is the final look. This is like the glowy look, simple. This is pretty much like my go-to, especially for the summer, since summer is approaching, but it is spring, and you know, glossy and shiny and glowy makeup is what's in. But I like to focus on why am I like I like to focus on a nice base. I'm trying not to put too much foundation on my face, so that's kind of why I use the Velvet Matte mixed in with the Fenty, because it gives me a more velvety, thicker consistency to like spread on my face, so I don't have to use as much foundation and still get that like full coverage look. So it's kind of like stretching my foundation and cutting out like the concealer time, because I'm not really like, I just want to get this like quick, you know, get it done fast. But this is the final look, so I hope you guys like it. Sorry about the sunlight and the lighting. I'm trying like a whole new setup. I'm trying like a whole new thing on my channel. I took a long break, so now I'm back. But this is the final look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's a nice, you know, glow. Woo, woo, shining. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I have more videos to come. I love you guys. Bye.